Good morning to one and all. Welcome back to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you all are doing well. So, today's recipe is very quick and easy for the breakfast. I'm going to make this for my breakfast today. It is a customized brown bread sandwich. For that, I am going to use one finely chopped tomatoes, one finely chopped medium sized onion, some fresh coriander, butter can be of your choice. It can be homemade butter or any Amul butter which you prefer for the roasting purpose, as we are going to do that on a pan, and some mayonnaise. So this is like veg mayonnaise and this is the Caesar salad dressing also. So I'm going to make a combination of both of this. So let's get started quickly with the recipe. So once we take a bowl, we will add the veggies. So onions I have added. Next comes the tomatoes, the coriander. From my masala box, I am going to make use of salt. So it should be as per taste. So almost 1 tablespoon. Little bit of chili powder. So this much chili powder I am taking. Now time to put the mayonnaise, the Caesar dressing. It will give you nice texture to your sandwich. Mix all these ingredients well and then we are ready to go. I have made the dressing ready. Now it's time to arrange all these things. So firstly we will take 2 slices and we will apply this Amul light butter onto one side. Make sure you cover the corners. On one slice you arrange the veggies properly. Take a for the frying purpose or for the toasting purpose, I am going to use simple tawa. I am turning on the gas. Once the tawa or the pan, whatever you are using, is heated up, you can just roast the sandwich. My pan or the tawa is now almost ready for the sandwich roast process. I am going to drizzle little bit of desi ghee. That will give nice texture to the brown bread. So small tablespoon of desi ghee I have sprinkled on the pan. Now it's time to roast our sandwich. Make sure that the gas flame is on low and flip it around once it is done. So keep checking in between. So you can see the texture of my brown bread sandwich after flipping around, and it's now ready to serve. So my brown bread super delicious sandwich is now ready to eat, and it's really easy, and on this rainy day you can prepare it any time of the day and you can just munch it. So do try this simple and quick recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Stay healthy, remain healthy, and please subscribe and support to my channel. Thank you.